Hello students, today we will be doing treatment of goodwill in case of admission. So there are different cases how do you treat goodwill. As you remember in my last video I told you that the new partner who is being admitted gets two shares. He gets share in profit and he gets share in assets. So for share in assets he is bringing his capital and for share in profits he is bringing his share of premium of goodwill. So when he brings his capital, the entry will be cash account debit to cease capital. So now how to treat the goodwill when he's bringing the goodwill, when he's not bringing, there are different cases. Now first case, when goodwill is paid privately. When goodwill is paid privately means that they have agreed. Now in this case I'm going to take example that A and B are old partners and C is a new partner who's being admitted. So when goodwill is paid privately, only the entry will be cash to cease capital. For premium for goodwill, there will be no entry. Now the share of goodwill which he is bringing is known as premium for goodwill. Now second case, when premium is brought by partner in cash. When he is bringing his share of goodwill, in that case, the first entry will be cash account debit to cease capital account to premium for goodwill. For example, if he is bringing 4 lakh rupees of capital and 20,000 as premium for goodwill. Now this premium for goodwill will be given to the sacrificing partners in the sacrificing ratio. In the normal case, the old partner, that is A and B, are going to be the sacrificing partners. So the second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital to B's capital in sacrificing ratio. So you can see this orange star. Orange star means when they say that capitals are fixed. So when capitals are fixed, all the entries are to be done through current account. So instead of A's capital and B's capital, A's current account and B's current account will come. Now third case, it is an extension of this case. That is when the old partner, when the premium is brought by the partner, new partner in cash, and the old partner withdraws their share of goodwill. It is an extension. So in this case, the first entry will be same, that is cash account debit to cease capital to premium for goodwill. Second entry will be also same, that is premium for goodwill to A's capital to B's capital. That means their share has been given to them. Now A and B are withdrawing in cash. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to cash account. Clear? So that means in this case, first entry was of bringing capital and the premium. Second entry was giving the premium, putting the premium in A and B's capital accounts in the sacrificing ratio. And the third entry is that now they have taken this premium, they have withdrawn it for their personal use. In case if they have withdrawn the full amount, so the whole amount will come. If they have withdrawn 50%, so 50% of all these three, that is premium for goodwill, 50% will come in cash, A's capital for 50% will come here and B's capital 50% will come over here. Now next case, when the partner brings premium for goodwill in kind, he says I cannot get cash, or maybe I can get some in cash and some in kind. So maybe in case if he has to get 40,000 rupees of premium for goodwill and he says I'll get furniture of 10,000, I will get computer of 20,000 and I'll get cash of 10,000. So basically he's bringing three things. So all these assets, that is cash account debit 10,000, furniture account debit 10,000, computer account debit 20,000. All these assets account will be debited to cease capital to premium for goodwill. And now this entry will be same, that is premium for goodwill will be distributed among the old partners in their sacrificing ratio, or I can say the sacrificing partners in the sacrificing ratio. Now this case is when partner doesn't bring the goodwill. He says I don't have money right now, I might give you afterwards. So right now I'm coming only with capital, let me come and jo bhi whatever the amount of my premium is to debit me. So in this case, the amount of capital which he is bringing, we take cash account debit to cease capital. Premium has not been credited because that amount is not being coming. Now the second entry is, instead of premium for goodwill, we debit current account or capital account. Capital account is right, but logically C current account is debited. Though CBSE says you can debit both, but then in other some cases like capital adjustment, in few cases we say that you have to debit only C's current account. So according to me, bache, you should always debit C's current account only. There's a logic behind it, I'll tell you. So C's current account debit to A's capital to B's capital in their sacrificing ratio. Now see, this C's current account, this 40,000 is going to be shown in balance sheet on the asset side. This means that the firm has to take this money. Now, in case if he's bringing capital of 4 lakh and he has to bring goodwill of 40,000. Now, if I take C's capital 40,000, so 4 lakh is being credited and 40,000 is being debited. So he'll be left with capital of 3,60,000. So that means his capital has been reduced, which is logically wrong. So that's why instead of C's capital, we take C's current account. Another logic is that when C's current account is appearing here, so this reminds us and C, A, B, C and all the partners that C has to bring the money. He has to pay the cash to the firm. The last case is when partner brings partial goodwill in cash. That means instead of 40,000, he is bringing 25,000 in cash and 15,000 he is saying I'll give afterwards. So premium for goodwill will be credited with 25,000. In the second entry, premium for goodwill will be credited with 25,000. C's current account will be credited with 15,000, the amount which he has not brought. So premium for goodwill mein the amount will come which he has brought. In C's current account, that amount will come which he has not brought. And this combination of two will be distributed among A and B in their sacrificing ratio. And similarly, in balance sheet, C's current account will appear over here as 15,000. In this case, it was 40,000 because he was not bringing the total amount. In this case, he has brought 25,000. He has not brought 15,000. So here, 15,000 will appear. Clear? Now, in all these cases, see what will be the net effect. What is going to increase in first, second, third? In the balance sheet, in cash, two things will be added. C's capital and premium for goodwill. In case if he has brought. So this premium and C's capital will be added in cash. And all these cases, if balance sheet is appearing, if goodwill is appearing in the balance sheet on the asset side, so then in the old balance sheet, so this goodwill is to be written off. So the journal entry as we did in change in PSR, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill. This is the goodwill which is appearing in the old balance sheet. And here we were talking about the goodwill or the premium for goodwill which was appearing as an adjustment. So I hope all the cases are clear. Let me repeat. In first case, when he is bringing the goodwill privately, no entry will be done for premium for goodwill. Only one entry will be done for capital. Now, in all of the cases, when he is bringing premium for goodwill, so in the first entry, along with the capital, premium for goodwill will be credited with whatever amount he is bringing. If he is bringing for less, so it will be credited with less. If he is not bringing, so premium for goodwill will not be credited. Now, the second entry, wherever premium for goodwill, wherever he is bringing goodwill in cash, this premium will be given to A and B in their sacrificing ratio. Now, this has to be given to A and B in their sacrificing ratio. If he is bringing, debit premium for goodwill. If he is not bringing, debit C's current account. And if he is bringing some amount, for that amount, debit premium for goodwill. If he is not bringing any amount, if he is left some amount, for that amount you will debit C's current account.